Hello, my name is Julie Fei-Fan Balzer, and I am a painter, a printmaker, and a collage artist living and working outside of Boston. And welcome to my studio. So, this week I did something that probably a lot of us do at the beginning of the year, which is I cleaned my studio. It is one of those things where it wasn't a deep clean, it wasn't a huge rearrange. It's just that I had reached the point where all of those end of the year projects, all of those things I've been working on, I just had piles and piles and piles and piles of stuff everywhere. So let's get the studio clean together today. So one of the first tasks I always do, just because it feels good to get it done, is I clean out my drying rack of anything that's there, and then all of these papers either go into the collage bin or get sorted away where they need to go. I also try to take the time to actually fold up the drying rack and put it away too. This is a great example of how piles happen in my studio. I had been doing some photos, then I had been cutting some things up, and now I just have a pile of these leftover scraps. So I need to sort them into what's usable scraps and what's really just garbage. For me, anything that's actually been painted or printed is usable. The rest goes in the garbage. I also need to put away the photo backgrounds, but you can see how things just keep getting layered and piled. I'm really, really bad about that. But now that spot's clean. So this is my painting table. It's the table that sits right in front of my easel. And so I basically just junk everything on it. My collage paper, my glue, the tape, the paints. Here I'm playing pickup sticks with a bunch of popsicle sticks that fell on the floor. Scissors, crayons, everything that I use because I'm a mixed media artist and I use so much media, it all just gets piled up. So it feels like a nice reset to actually deep clean down to the brown paper of this table. I'm not going to replace the paper today, but that is something that I sometimes do when it really feels like it's trashed. Sometimes the tasks that I do are things that it's just like, hey, this empty ATG has been sitting on my desk, so it's not even useful, it's just there, and I just need to refill it. So now I'm taking the time to actually refill it. That's done, put it away, put the rest of the stuff away. This is the main desk where I sit, and you can see it's not even usable as a desk. So I'm been making a lot of samples for the class that I'm teaching, practical color for painters. So I was just putting all that stuff away. I can see like layers of projects. All of my Carved December stuff is still out, so I'm putting that away. It's like I have this bad habit of just bringing stuff over to my desk and using it and then sort of shoving it off to the side. As long as I have 3 inches of usable space, then I'm okay. And so then of course this is the result. So I have to just keep cleaning, and I try really hard as I'm moving stuff to actually put it where it goes. So that's why this is at about 20 times speed. This took me quite a while to do, but it feels so good to actually have a desk to work on, a space to spread out in, and a place that feels calm. So this is my collage bin, and it is full and overflowing. Hard to find anything in there. It's so full. So it is time to take this, and look at that, looking much better. And now I've also made some scrap packs. So now I have a bunch of scrap packs to sell, and I've cleaned out my collage bin. Win-win. So I wish I had a long list for you of like incredible ways you can keep your studio clean all the time and never have to do this, but I don't. So what I've done is really like 2 major things that have helped me at least contain the mess, which is I really do try to do a cleaning like this where I get every surface clean at least once a month. That works for me. I thrive in the chaos otherwise, but I do need kind of a reset. And the second thing that I do is you may have seen some of them. I try to have baskets and bins and other ways that it's easy to put things away. So even within the chaos, I can always pick up my collage paper bin, or I can always grab a handful of collage paper and throw it into the bin, so that there's a place for it. And the same with like paint and other stuff like that. I try to have some dedicated toss bins that make it easy to put away. So I'm certainly not perfect. I'm certainly not ideal, but I hope you see a realistic version of what it is to be a working artist and, trying to keep things up to your own comfort level. We're all different. You might like a beautifully clean studio, and that's awesome. You might thrive when the piles are up to here, and that's awesome too. I think the point is never to yuck anybody's yum, to remember that we're all different and we all get to make art the way that we want to. Hope you have a great day.